Can I save money and do it myself? Or maybe get Bob, the plumber, in to help? You'd be amazed at how often I get asked this. And look, I do understand renovations are expensive, but here's the real cost that you need to think about. DIY sounds cheaper in theory, but if you're not trained or skilled, it can lead to mistakes, and small mistakes often lead into expensive fixes. I've walked into jobs where a homeowner has tried fitting their own kitchen and had to replace the whole worktop, and they've caused damage to doors, ultimately voiding their warranty. Then there's the classic, my mate's a plumber, he can do that bit. Here's the thing, when you mix friendship and building work, it's gonna get messy. What happens if your mate delays the job or something goes wrong? You won't have a contract, you have any comeback, and potentially a very awkward barbecue next weekend. Now, here's something a lot of people don't think about. Would you be better off earning money what you do best instead of taking time off to be builder? Even if you're earning, let's say £200 a day, and take a week off to do a job that a pro could do in 2 days for 600 quid, you have not saved a thing. You've just traded your time for stress and delays. I'm not saying never lift a paintbrush or get involved, but be clear about what's safe and sensible with what you do yourself, and bring in pros for the bit that matter. And always make sure whoever is involved in the project is involved right from the very beginning. No surprises along the way. If you're trying to balance cost with quality, that's exactly what renovation management is for, so you don't waste money trying to save it. Follow for more tips like this, or book a call through the website if you are planning your own project, and let's see if I can help you.